today's video I want to share with you guys some products that I'm loving from the company Teami.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys that you guys would enjoy. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And today I want to share with you guys some products that I'm loving lately, and it's from the Teami brand. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I'm affiliated with Teami. I started working with them a couple months back. They sent me their Teami Skinny Tea to try out, and I loved it so much that I actually purchased it again along with their Teami Colon, which is kind of like a 30-day detox program that helps you take all the waste out of your system and really just reset your body to help you with weight loss, and it actually just helps motivate your body to get healthy as well. I shared with you guys a video, and I'll put the link down below on me trying it and a little bit about it, but I've never kind of talked to you guys on a video of how I felt about it. I kind of told you guys in Instagram and stuff like that, but I've never really shared my thoughts on it. Well, I do love it. This is actually my third bag, and I actually purchased this myself. And I'm going to try the colon one and the skinny tea together again, because I have been eating bad a lot lately since school started. Whenever we start back up in school, we get a lot of treats for, back to school with the teachers and stuff, and I've been eating bad lately. So what I love about the skinny tea and the skinny colon that goes with it, but also you can just do it with the skinny tea, is that it resets your body and gets all that waste out. And so what I love about that, it does that, and people think that with skinny tea it's going to automatically make you lose weight, and if they take it and you don't lose weight, they think it doesn't work. This tea will help you with your weight loss goals, but it's not a fix-all. It's not something that you're going to take and that you're going to lose weight like that. You do need to eat healthy. You do need to exercise. This is just to help you along with your health journey. And I really do like it, because I find that when I do eat a lot of fast food or a lot of bad things, I tend to gain weight in my face. And so I can get bloated in my face. And when I lose weight fast in my face. Well, I haven't had time to work out, but I did start drinking my skinny tea again, and I have seen that my face has gotten a little bit, de-bloated, I guess, yeah, once I started drinking the tea again, so it does work for me. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the tea, because that's one of the things that I like about it, but I'm also going to be discussing with you guys the new Teami VIT-C tea infused serum. They sent me this out to try, and guys, I love it as well. So today I'm sharing with you guys the two products that I love. Well, actually the three products that I love, but I don't have the colon one because I've already used it. Now I have my laptop on me, because you guys know I cannot remember anything. So I have my laptop with me to share with you guys basically about the tea, because I'm going to give you an overview about it, what I like about it, and then the prices. So everything that I'm telling you is 100% natural. That's another reason why I love working with Teami. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I love using all natural products. That's why I work with Teami. I work with Grove Collaborative, because they do all natural cleaning products, which I have a link down below if you want a coupon code. I also started working with Simply Earth. That gives you all, there's like a monthly subscription for essential oils, and they send you recipes every month with your subscription box for all natural recipes, which again, I have a coupon code for that, and I'll put it down below. But I really just like all natural things. The more natural things that I can have in my home, the better. So that's what I love. So this one basically, it says start your day with a natural energy boost. Our skinny tea blend is an amazing blend created to provide natural energy throughout the day without leaving you feeling jumpy or jittery. Made with 100% natural ingredients, the skinny tea blend can replace your morning coffee. I will say it does not replace my morning coffee, because I love my coffee. I just love the taste of coffee. I'm just a coffee drinker. But I will say that this does give me an energy boost in the afternoon when I'm at work. In the afternoon, kind of like after that lunch period when we do lunch duty, I kind of have like a slump, and then it's nap time for the kids. And so for me to stay alert, I need something to keep me awake. And this is when that's the time. It's around 1 is when I start drinking my skinny tea, and it does give you a natural energy boost. It gives you this boost of energy And it's not too, like they said, that's not too jittery. It's just a natural boost of energy that, yeah, like it's just natural. It's just nothing too jumpy like coffee. Because I don't like to have coffee later on in the day, because I just don't like the taste of coffee later on in the day. I don't know why. I just like the taste of it in the morning, but for some reason in the afternoon, like hot coffee just doesn't go well with me. And it could be because I live in Texas, the heat of Texas. But I don't like drinking coffee later on, but I love drinking my tea. Also, if you guys have followed me on Instagram, I talk about that I love this tea for my anxiety. I get bad anxiety and I get jittery, and when I get anxiety it makes me sick. And I drink this tea when I have my anxiety, and it calms me down and it relaxes me. So it gives me that energy boost that I need, but it also relaxes me to where I don't feel so anxious. So this has helped with my anxiety. It does not say that it helps with anxiety, but I have found that whenever my anxiety is bad, I drink my tea and it tends to calm me down with my anxiety. So that's basically what this skinny tea is a natural boost of energy. It just helps you out and it speeds up. Basically, it kickstarts your metabolism. So that's why they call it a skinny tea. Let me see, super ingredients, description. Okay. Yeah, so basically it kickstarts your metabolism to help you with your weight loss goals, and it gives you that natural energy boost so that you're able to do your workouts or to get moving so you're able to lose weight. So like I said, this is not a fix-all for you to lose weight, but it does help you with your weight loss goals. Oh, and I forgot to say that this is $29.99, but this will last you a long time. You only need 1 teaspoon to brew this in your water, and you can like basically make your tea. You can use the tea leaves, or 1 teaspoon of tea leaves, up to 3 times. And guys, I have even pushed it up to 6 times. Depending on how much water you use, you can actually push this up to 6 times, and you can still have the benefits of it and the flavor of it. And so for me, I've done it up to 6 times. So this bag lasts me a long time. I remember when they first sent it out to me, they gave it to me in October, and I remember it lasted me all the way until January, because I really made these tea leaves last. A little goes a long way, and you pay 30 bucks for this, but it does last a long time. And like I said, I love it because it does give me that natural energy boost. It does kick my metabolism. It helps me de-bloat whenever I'm eating some bad foods that I shouldn't. And it helps me with anxiety, which is the main reason why I love this. It helps me with my anxiety. So I'm able to drink in the afternoon and still be able to go to sleep at night, because like I said, it gives you that natural energy boost. So if ever I have my anxiety is really bad in the afternoon, I can still drink this and not worry about it keeping me up all night. Now the other tea that I love from them is the Teami colon. And the Teami colon, you basically get it in a pack with this one. It coincides with this because they work together. And the Teami colon, basically what it says is, do you ever feel like you need to press the reset button on your body? Toxins exit in processed food, carbohydrate drinks, pollutants, free radicals that we are all exposed to daily. These can affect the body, causing exhaustion, bloating, and inflammation, almost like the digestive system isn't functioning right. Traditionally, colon tea cleanses has been used because they are gentle and simply 100% natural, which we created this special blend to give your body the restoration it needs. So when you take the colon tea, you take the colon tea every other night. So you only get like 15 tea bags for that. The skinny tea, you can take it up to 3 times a day. Like I said, I take it in the afternoon. That's when I drink it, but you can take it up to 3 times a day. And then with the colon tea, when you put those 2 teas together, the colon tea is every other night for 30 days. And you want to do it every other night for 30 days because, guys, when you take this colon tea, you're going to go. It's going to make you go. I know that's TMI, but it's going to make you go. But it's a good thing because it's clearing your body and getting all those toxins out. And you feel so much better when you take this tea, because you can feel yourself just feeling like better health-wise. Like I said, this is it's not a cure-all that you're going to lose weight like that, but it does help with your weight loss goals, and it makes you feel so much healthier because it just takes away all those bad toxins. And I did feel better once I took it. Now this one, the colon tea by itself, is $24.99. Now if you don't have the skinny tea already and you want to get them as a pack, the pack is $49.99 together, and that's when you'll get the skinny tea and the colon tea. And like I said, the skinny tea lasts longer. The colon tea only lasts for 30 days. But I love it. I'm going to actually purchase my colon tea again so I can start my 30-day program again, because again, I've been eating horribly. And so I love those teas. I feel like I said, this is not a tea that's going to be like, oh my God, I take this and I don't have to work out and I don't have to eat healthy. This is going to make me lose weight. This is my magic cure. No, nothing is a magic cure. You have to work for it. You have to move. You have to do some type of exercises, and you do have to watch what you eat. not eat like a rabbit, but you do have to watch what you eat to coincide with this. So this is not going to be your only cure-all, but it does help with your weight loss goals. And again, like I said, I love this because it helps me with my anxiety, and anything to help with my anxiety naturally, I love it more. So the new thing they sent me, because I was loving the tea so much and they wanted to, I wanted to try something different. They asked me to choose what kind of facial products that I want to choose, because they're bringing out a new facial line and bringing out all natural facial products. So they have like this mask, this green mask, and then they also have this vitamin C tea infused serum. I'm all about serums. If you guys have been following me for a while, I will spend more money on my facial things as far as like serums and lotions and facial wash than I would makeup, because I feel like if you want your face to look good, it starts with your actual face, not what you put on top of your face like makeup. And I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on makeup. I can't. I would spend a lot more money on this. So they sent me this Teami VIT-C tea infused serum, and as you can tell, I've been using it for a month now. I wanted to wait till a full month to give you guys a full review on it. And I'm loving it, guys. I really am loving it. I'm loving how it is. It's very light. A little goes a long way. Like I said, I've had this for a month now, and you use it morning and night, and this is how much I've used within a month. So I still have all this left over. I think I can have another 2 months with this little bottle. I love how it smells. It smells like grapefruit. I love how it's a little goes a long way. Like I'll put a little pump on my finger, and I could do like my forehead and all right here, and then just a little bit more pump and go on my neck. A little goes a long way, and it feels so moisturizing. Like you feel it working instantly, and it's not sticky, and it dries. It absorbs into your skin fast, so that you're able to move on to like your lotions and your eye creams as well. I mean, a lot of serums, you have to wait a while until they infuse into your skin before you can move on. This one infuses fast, but it still feels moisturizing. It doesn't feel like it infuses fast and then goes away. If you can feel the moisturization, and then you're able to move on to your next product. So let me tell you what it says about it online. It says, quench your dry skin with our serum's water consistency instantly absorbs into your skin. Unlike other serum that takes up to 2 minutes to fully absorb, VIT-C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue with your beauty routine. The unique process behind the weightless VIT-C serum involves hand steeping the hibiscus flower leaves and brewing an antioxidant rich, refreshing red tea, which creates the baby pink color we adore. With the light, fresh grapefruit scent, you will fall in love with our clean, plant-based, and holistic VIT-C serum for your skin that feels radiant the moment it touches your face. So this is just like with the tea. This is all natural ingredients. Now, the super ingredients that are in here are, like you heard, the hibiscus flower. The hibiscus flower, oh my God. It's rich in vitamin C. It says the flower, I'm not going to keep saying that. The flower has been used for centuries in tea and skincare routines alike. And then it says it has hyaluronic acid. It hydrates the skin, delivers long-lasting moisture, making your skin feel smoother throughout the day. And then the vitamin C is a vital molecule for your skin. It's rich in antioxidants, bursting with hydration and protective benefits. Now, I probably messed up all these words, whatever, but if you go online, you can read it yourself. But I just wanted to give you an overview of what's in it and why it's so great. I love this, guys. I was so glad that I chose this instead of the other one. I mean, the scrub is probably really good, but I like making my homemade scrubs with my Simply Earth essential oils kit, because they sent me, last month they sent me something all about the face, and they had like this scrub that I told you guys was amazing and I love. So again, I'll put the link down below for the Simply Earth box, so check that out. I loved their recipe. But this serum is amazing, and the fact that it's all natural, I love it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna cost you. Most serums, no matter where you get them, like you can get, like I use L'Oreal moisturizer for my day and night cream, and even those 2 bottles are like 20 bucks each. Whenever I want to buy a L'Oreal serum, they're always like $19.99. So they're always about 20 bucks for L'Oreal, a drugstore product. This one, because it's all natural and it has a lot of things in it, it is $44.99. So it's not cheap, but if you've ever been to Sephora or Ulta, you know that serums go way more than this, and they're not all natural. But I do love this, and like I said, I've used it for a month, day and night, and I've only used this month. So you basically can use this for 3 months, and depending on if you use it less than I do, maybe 4. So this can last you, I mean, the price is a lot, but this can last you a long time depending on how you use it. So those are the products that I'm loving from Teami, and I know that this serum can be quite pricey, but again, if you guys know like name brand serums, you guys know that they go for this much. But don't fret, I do have a coupon code for you guys. If you have an order of $39 or more, you can use RIA25. RIA25 is like a special code that they have during certain months. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can always use RIA20, which also works for $39 and above. I know that it's sometimes some months RIA25 works and some months RIA20 works. It depends on if they have the holiday, what are they called? Holiday sales going. So I would say try RIA25 to see if it works, and if it doesn't, try RIA20. Now, if you don't spend $39 or more, RIA15 works every time. You can always get 15% on any order, any size. So if you don't spend $39, you could definitely use RIA15 and use, save 15% on your order. But again, if you order $39 or above, definitely try RIA25 first, and if that doesn't work, RIA20 should work for you guys so that you guys can save money. But those are the products that I'm loving. I really do love these products. I have purchased them myself as well. I do plan to make this a repeat purchase. I'm very fickle about my serums, and I've tried so many from like VIT-C when I would get my VIT-C stuff that didn't deliver at all. This delivers, and the fact that I still have way more, I will definitely be using this as I'll be definitely keeping this in my regimen. And a lot of you guys have been telling me in my comments, and actually have been DMing me, that my face looks kind of brighter in my videos, and it's because of these. Because of this. This is the only thing that I've changed in my skincare routine. I always use L'Oreal. This is the only thing I've changed in the last month, and a lot of you guys have told me that my face has looked clearer and a little bit brighter in some of my videos. So I owe it all to this. And again, I'm loving the tea as well. So definitely try these out. I stand by Teami. I love the products that they've sent me. I love the products that I've tried with them. And yeah, they're just a great company to work with. Let me know down below if you guys have tried Teami, if you like it. If you've tried like the scrubs or the mask or anything, let me know if you like it, because that's another thing that I do want to try. I have not tried their green tea scrub. And then they also have this new thing where it's like where you can get all your greens of the day and like this little powder. I think I might try that next, because lately, because of my busy schedule, I have not been able to eat, have time to eat right. And the fact that you can get this little, like, it's all about the greens, and put it in any type of milkshake or any type of food, and you get your greens for the day. It's kind of something I would need as a working mom. So let me know if you tried any of the products. Let me know if you want to try any of the products, what you guys felt about them. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.